Hi guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestion. At first, go to the settings, then find and select System and Update, and go to Languages and Input. Click on Current Keyboard to check what is yours. As you can see, in my case it is Gboard. So now let's go to on-screen keyboard and then select the keyboard that you noticed before. In my case it's Gboard. Go to Emojis, Stickers and GIFs, scroll a bit lower, and here under Suggestions while typing you'll find emojis. So all you have to do is to mark the switcher unless it is active. Also, this panel allows you to personalize emoji stickers, and it is working the same way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.